Hey guys, good morning. This is the second day of our 30 days workout challenge, okay? I almost did not do this today, but I said to myself, nothing is after 12 noon. I said nothing is going to stop me. I have to do this before I continue any other thing I'm going to do today. Don't mind me, I'm wearing sweater because it's very cold. If I warm up, I'm going to take it out, okay? So we start by 7 minutes skipping. So shall we? Shall we? Okay. this is the end of today's challenge. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys again in my next video. Sorry, you're not seeing my face properly. I'll catch you guys again tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. I do really appreciate. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please, I beg of you, consider hitting on that subscription button right down there. Subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so notify you whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. You know what? I'll catch you guys up again. Next one. You know what? I'll catch you guys up again on my next video. Take care, and don't forget, love you. Bye.